Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset password in the PI network. PI network is a mobile-based cryptocurrency project that allows users to mine PI coins directly from their smartphone without draining battery or the data. And with millions of the users provide, PI network focuses on the accessibility, security and the decentralization. And if you have forgotten your PI network password and cannot log into your account, do not worry. Resetting your password is simple. Let's walk in step by step. So first you need to open to your PI network first and make sure you already have a PI app. If you do not have so, you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well, and make sure you have a stable internet connection before continuing. And once you reach into this screen here, you can continue with the Facebook or phone number. Here what you can do is select one of the continuation and select continue. And PI network does not have a password system. You cannot reset a password because your PI account is linked to your number or your Facebook account. And once logged in, you can verify your email, complete your KYC, secure your PI wallet passphrase, and this is important. So remember, PI network has no password to reset. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or question, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.